Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here from KingLive. It is a clock. I'll show you what it looks like here. Comes with the remote control for the colors on it. And this is the clock here. It comes well packaged. I can open this up. Here we go. So this is what it looks like here. You can see this one here has got kind of a mechanics theme to it. It's made out of a record. If you look at that, it's a vinyl record. And so you would just put a battery in it. Do I have batteries? I have some here. Yes, I do. So I can just put a battery in. And that will get it ticking. If I can get it in there. Okay. Yep, so now it's moving there, and then we have a USB here, which I can just plug into. I have a battery pack. I don't know if it has batteries in it. Yes, it does. So, and here we go. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's got colors all going on behind it, like that. So when you have it on the wall, it will reflect those colors. So this is great for a little garage or something like that. It looks really cool. So, not sure what record it is. It doesn't tell you what record it was if it was playing. You'll be curious, just gonna play a little piece of it. But that's super cool. So if you need a clock that looks like a mechanics kind of looking one here, I think they had them in different ones too, and they light up. It also came with a remote control, so you can change it up with the colors and all. This one's cool though with all the rotating colors, but really cool. I like it. Thumbs up.